Please ignore my noobness. This is the first time I'm actually using a green screen and there are fails everywhere, but whatever. For this, I wanted my skin to be a little broken, splotchy, and kind of like an ash, so I am using a mixture between light blue, gray, and white paint. And I'm using a sponge and my hands to pat it on. As you saw and can see, my green screen noob mistake number 1, my sponge is a light green and so is the paint palette, so that kind of disappeared. I like the white drip effect, so I'm just layering in between the colors. Once I was satisfied, I set everything with baby powder. This kind of filled in the empty spots and added to the look and gave it a little more dusty old effect. I wanted to create spider veins along my chest, face, and arms, so I used a reference picture of the general placement of where your veins are, and I just kind of took it away and, you know, did my own thing with black paint. Alright, so I'm an idiot and thought it was a good idea to use green with the black because it went really nice with the colors together, but I just did not consider the fact that green screen takes green away from everything. So, I mean, it kind of still adds to the effect and you see the general idea of what I mean, but it either shows up gray or invisible, so just ignore that. I know for next time. Anyways, for the eyes, I'm just using my Take Me Back to Brazil palette and I'm smudging black and purple around my eyes and kind of using the leftover shadow that's left on the brush and creating a shadow around it all. And I'm also shading in around my forehead and my jawline and a little on my chest. Then I'm using my White Elf eyeshadow primer and also the Pearl Shimmer shade and the 28 Foil Eyes palette from BH Cosmetics to my lids, and I'm blending all of that in. Then finally I'm adding black to my waterline, some liquid liner, and mascara, and I'm applying a little of the purple, black, and white powder to the center of my lips to add kind of a dead tone going on with my lips, I don't know. And I'm just doing that while I'm waiting for my lash glue to get a little bit tacky before I apply those on. All that's left is your wig and accessories and whatever else you want to add, and you're all done. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful holiday and amazing time with your family and friends and whoever, or if you're alone, enjoy your relaxation. So I'll see you guys next time.